In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Slack. The integration between these two powerful tools can significantly streamline your workflow, making team collaboration and task management much more efficient. Let's dive right into it and make sure you're set up for success. To start, you'll want to open Asana on your computer or device and log into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. The one we're interested in is Settings. Click on Settings to open a new settings page. Now, you'll notice several tabs running along the top of this page. We're going to focus on the Apps tab. This area is the command center for all the possible integrations that Asana offers, allowing you to connect with various external applications to enhance functionality. So, click on the Apps tab, which is oftentimes easily visible and labeled, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Once you're on the Apps page, scroll through the list of available applications, and you'll soon spot the option to connect with Slack. Slack is a game changer for communication, bringing all your team members together in one space, and integrating it with Asana takes productivity to the next level. When you see it listed among the available apps, you will see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click on that button. This action initiates the process of linking Asana with Slack. Upon clicking Connect, you'll be prompted to go through an authentication process. This step is crucial as it ensures that only authorized individuals can link these two platforms, safeguarding your data and communications. Follow the prompts provided. Typically, this will involve logging into your Slack account and granting the necessary permissions for Asana to interact with Slack. Remember, each step is designed with security and simplicity in mind, so it should be a breezy experience. And there you have it, a successful connection between Asana and Slack. From this point onward, you're all set to receive Asana updates through Slack, enabling you to stay on top of your tasks without ever switching between platforms. This seamless integration provides updates directly to your Slack channels, keeping everyone in the loop and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you find the new integration boosts your productivity and enhances team collaboration. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, take care, and happy task managing.